most of the time, picking away at my thoughts like it's his day job. He's there for me when I'm not in need, pestering me till I can't speak no more. He says he needs me, and I oblige, and then I sink into his bed of lies. He says he wants me, but who knows? The taste of salt runs from my nose. He wants to be inside of me. I tell him no, but he won't have it any other way. He likes his petals plucked and his leaves laid. Why did he choose me? I'm a fighter, but not in the sheets. I couldn't see him, don't look him in the eye. So when he enters, it catches me by surprise. Salt, it's everywhere. Salt, it floods, overflowing from my eyes. Salt, it's everywhere. Salt, it floods, and I think I like it, and I think I love it. It comes in waves. 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 Lost in my eyelids, I call you with silence, but wake up alone. Why can't you hear me? My thoughts of you piercing facades of stone. My walls will fall when my tears crawl down the skin that traps me within. I'm melting inside. I fly to feel high, so my mind finds the time to slow down, down, down. Lost in your eyelids, you lean into silence by chasing away the ones that care for you. 'Cause why would they want to stand by while you fade? Your walls will fall when your tears crawl down the skin sin that traps you within. You're melting inside. You fly to feel high, so your mind finds the time to slow down, down. Lost in our eyelids, we lay and pray that someday we'll wake from our slumber and turn to each other to finally say, I need to say this to you. We're walls will fall when our tears crawl down the skin that keeps us with you. I'm trapped in here, please help me try. We're melting inside. We fly to feel high. So our minds find the time to slow down, down, down. When it's a foggy day, I call my angels to help me play. When there's nothing to say, they speak through me in whatever kind of way. It doesn't matter how I feel or if what hurts me don't seem too real. They lift me up through thick and thin until I lift my chin and give them a grin. On melancholy Sunday, I wanna show you something, wanna tell you something, something true. 'Cause I'm so blue, but I'm imbued with all I do. Ba ba da ba da ba, ba 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 ba, ba 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 ba. Fui 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 fa fa, fa 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 fa. Fa 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 fa. When it's a foggy day, I call my angels to help me play. When there's nothing to say, they speak through me in whatever kind of way. It doesn't matter how I feel or if what hurts me don't seem to be too real. They lift me up through thick and thin till I lift my chin and give them a grin. On melancholy Sunday, I wanna show you something, I wanna tell you something, something true. 'Cause I'm so blue, but I'm imbued with all I do. He's on my mind Oh, most of the time, picking away at my thoughts like it's his day job. He's there for me when I'm not in need, pestering me till I can't speak no more. He says he needs me, and I oblige, and then I sink into his bed of lies. He says he wants me, but who knows? The taste of salt runs from my nose. He wants to be inside of me. 1, 2, 3, 4. I wanna give it to you, boy, but there's a voice in my head that keeps telling me not to let you see secrets hidden inside me. I wanna say it to you, girl, but the words in my head, they don't string together easily. That's just what you do to me. Love should be given freely, as freely